Atom Club at IMI Kolkata serves as a valuable resource for the students interested in this field, and it supports their academic and professional development that fosters the networking opportunities among supply chain and operations professionals, provide the practical experiences that can benefit their future careers in operations management and supply chain management.
At IMI Kolkata, I embarked on a journey that goes beyond the boundaries of a classroom. As a member of ATOM, the Operations Club of IMI Kolkata, I discovered the transformative power of extracurricular engagement.
The flagship event of our Operation Club is Optimum, that is hosted every year on the occasion of Confero. Our club's activities are driven by three pillars: engagement, innovation and impact.
We also conduct Obstacle, which is an intra-college event of our club and sees participation of students from multiple domains. Obstacle 3.0 was where fun met knowledge. Through puzzles and quizzes, we unwound while enhancing our domain expertise. My journey as a club member was a testament to IMI's mission of developing well-rounded leaders with critical thinking, innovation and social sensitivity. It was a holistic education that is extended far beyond the classroom, shaping not just my academic success but also my aspirations for a brighter future.